So we are about to get, well, I guess, see the official launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Let's talk about it. So, as you guys know, with the Z Fold 6 Slim, this is the more expensive older brother of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This has been called the Ultra, this has been called the Slim, this has been called the Fan Edition. It's going to, in reality here, it's going to be the Slim. Because based on everything we have heard and understand, this phone is going to be thinner by 5% thinner than the Z Fold 6, which doesn't sound like a lot, and it really shouldn't, because it's really not. It's going to cost $2,000 plus. And by the way, you can't even get it. It's only released in South Korea and China. It's again going to be $2,000 plus. It's going to be very interesting because it is fully titanium. The body of this phone is going to be complete titanium. It's also going to have no S Pen layer on the display, meaning you can't use the S Pen on the inside display. It's going to be limited to a certain amount of copies. This is not going to be a huge launch. It's going to be a very small launch. And it's really just Samsung kind of flexing their guns that they can release a product that is kind of thinner than their already product. Which, it's a waste. It's really a waste of a product, in all honesty. And it sucks so bad because I was so excited for an, potential Ultra variant of the Z Fold 6 series. And if that was going to come out later in the year, that would have been really cool, been exciting. But that's simply not happening. We're not getting a crazy Ultra variant that we can all have and enjoy. We're going to see an Ultra variant, or a Slim variant released, but this Slim variant will be really just a wow, Samsung did it type of thing. Now, it's not going to have crazy processor unit change. It's probably not going to have anything battery-wise change. It really is just a slimmer version of the Z Fold 6 with a complete titanium shell. So this is going to be coming out in October. We don't know if it's going to be coming out early October, late in October, exactly when. I'll make a video when we see it, because I'm sure there will be people who make, post pictures and videos of this device. And I'm excited to see, in the end, like what it looks like with the final product, because I feel like we've been talking about this for over a year now. And I just want to see how good it looks. At the end of the day, it's probably not going to be that amazing, but hopefully it looks cool at least. But yeah, Z Fold 6 Slim, guys, we get the official release date. Hopefully Samsung has something crazy on it. Like maybe, I don't even know what I would say would be crazy. I mean, the craziest thing they could do with this phone is with the fact they got rid of the S Pen support, which I think is still very stupid. Maybe you say 5% thinner, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. That's really what you could do. 16 gigabytes of RAM instead of 12 gigabytes of RAM. Maybe, especially if you're going to add $2,000 plus. Maybe you additionally add a better battery, better cameras. That's really all you can do. Now, you might say, who's going to buy this, right? Who would actually buy this if it has no S Pen support and it's $2,000 plus? A lot of people. A lot of people will buy this within seconds, and this will sell out within seconds. And the reason why is because it's rare. It's limited. We see this all the time. They release different variants of different phones all over. Different companies, bunch of different companies. They'll release different variants of their phones, and whether they collab with certain, other brands, they collab with other different companies. They'll release their phone in limited editions. And people buy them because they're limited. At the end of the day, even if a product is like, this is not really that good of a product, some people like to just collect it. There will be someone who buys this product, this Slim variant, and never use it. They'll never take it out of the box. They'll never do anything with it. They'll just keep it as a collection item, and that's pretty much that. You'll have a sealed, Slim variant on their shelf with all the other collectible collectible things they collect, right? People collect cars, people collect TCG cards, and some people collect cell phones. So it's just kind of like one of those situations where it's not really a cell phone because it's not going mass production. It's not going to be available for everyone. It's kind of one of those kind of niche type of collection items that Samsung's going for. So shout out to that fact. Also, shout out to Daniel for posting this article, and also shout out to Phone Arena. I have it linked down below in the description if you'd like to check out the article for yourself. But this is it. Peace out.